Meaning of Dominican Republic.
Dominican Republic.
Dominican Republic.
Dominican Republic.
Dominican Republic. The Dominican Republic is a country located in the Caribbean region, and its official name is República Dominicana in Spanish. The country shares the island of Hispaniola with Haiti, and its capital and largest city is Santo Domingo. Tourism is a major industry in the Dominican Republic, thanks to its stunning beaches, clear blue waters, and tropical climate. The Dominican Republic has a rich cultural heritage, and it is known for its music, dance, art, and cuisine. The country has a population of about 10 million people, and Spanish is the official language.